Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to check your hard drive details in Windows using just a command prompt. Type CMD in search. Open command prompt. We will be using a simple command. WMIC disk drive get interface type, model, serial number, size, status. After you type this command and press enter, Windows will display key details about your hard drive. Interface type shows the connection type of your drive, like SATA or USB. Model displays the brand and model number of the hard drive or SSD installed in your system. Serial number gives the unique ID assigned to your drive, useful for warranty or identification. Size shows the storage capacity of your disk in bytes. You can divide this number by 1 billion to get the size in gigabytes. Status tells you if the drive is working properly. Usually, it will show OK if the drive is healthy. This is a quick and easy way to get complete hard drive information without installing any extra software. So that's how you check your hard drive details using CMD in Windows. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more useful tech tips.